So this is one bee's just sting me. Anyways, okay. So we just turned left at ouch, the Sam Sharp Square traffic light. Something's just sting me. I'm like, why? What did I do? I did nothing to you. Anyways, yeah, we are on Market Street at the moment, and I'm just going to be doing a hi. You good? All right, such a beautiful smile. Yeah, so we're walking on Market Street now. We're coming up at the intersection where you have Orange Street. This is intersection where we have Orange Street. It's Orange Street going down there. It's a busy Friday evening. Yo! So why the bee at the side for sting me? Me not do nothing. Oh my gosh, the hot thing burning me. Anyways. A lot of traffic. Hallelujah. And then there's a wholesale that we're passing here, Value Right Wholesale. Gentleman selling bread on the side of the road. Nice warm bread. See some banana over there, fruits. I think I'm going to cross the road. Pickle. All right, we're coming up on some churches. Across the road we have the Victoria Mutual Building Society building. Also on that building we have Radiology West and COK. Right? Let's continue our walk. Oh gosh. Some kids coming up. Let me turn this to the side. Alright. Burchell Memorial Church. Which road we're coming up on? Hello. Afternoon. What's the name of this road?
You're on King Street. That one.
King Street. Okay, this is King Street. All right, thanks. All right, so this is the King Street intersection. Yeah, me know that King Street. That King Street. This. How am I forget that? Anyways, this church here is St. Paul's United. You see that? Alrighty. Not a lot of traffic up this side. passing Fashion Hut and Sterling's Refrigeration. Across the street we have Adore Technical Training Institute and Forward in Faith, a church. Right here we have Gordon Evans building. I'm not sure what's on that building. I don't see a sign. An empty lot here. Just passing a house right over this side. Looks like a very old building. Air conditioned and commercial unit over there. Over here we have a plaza which has I Plus Boutique, I Plus Optical Center. It's called the UNI Plaza. International Express, online shopping easier. A number of different stores. You can see the sign there.
Anyway,
No. Looks like is this a bar or gaming lounge? And then we have Sam Isaacs and Son Funeral Home. Another older building. And then we are coming up on we're coming up on East Street. This is East Street intersection. You remember that end of East Street, guys? I did. What is this man doing? Turning? What am I doing? Okay. There's an empty lot here. Remember that side? If you continue all the way up, you will see UCC, the college I spoke about in another video. And that's where that old, I will link the video where I walked up East Street there, and you'll see old slavering as well. Good afternoon. We have Twain's Bridal Boutique here and a hardware, D&B Supplies Hardware on this plaza. I guess you'd call it a plaza. It's at number 47. And that is what we have across the street there behind the fence, the zinc fence. They're building something, I'm not sure what. This looks like a car wash. And here we have another plaza. And then Lease Parts Plus over on this side. And right there we have, are you in pain? Try chiropractic by Chiropractic Center. Oh yeah, I see it. All right. And this is the end of Market Street, and we have another plaza called Market Street Plaza. I see discount lumber and hardware. Electoral Office of Jamaica is also on the plaza. Chartered accountant, a law office, Perfect Hair Care and Nails, a dental, M&H Dental. And then we turn on this lane here. Hello. Unique Adult Novelties. No. All right, thanks. An empty lot over there. And then we have, what's this? Walpole Lane. So which lane is this though? You'd call this lane that we're in. Because Walpole Lane appears to be down that side. Oh, okay. That goes on to East Street. Hello, ladies. Hello. Afternoon. Sorry for interrupting your conversation. What street is this? What is the street called?
No, so we only know we have to go back and Plaza.
You don't know the street name? Alright, thanks. Who's Indian? Hello. No, I just wanted to know what's the name of the street.
It's a good question.
This gentleman there? Hello. No, but that, not that's it's reference.
Look at the other side.
Oh, okay. This is what? Oh, Walpole Lane. So this is Walpole Lane? Okay, so what is this street called? Hopewell. Hopewell Lane. Alright, thank you. You good? You sure? Alright. Comfort systems. And another plaza here. That was funny. Solar wind system. Malik Security Services. Moby Glass. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Me almost getting killed. And now we're back on Union Street. We have Overton Plaza up there and Moby High and NHT. You can actually see them. There's a new Seventh-day Adventist church being built across the street.
And a new.
In new? Well, oh, me know, but as in the building new. Okay. Now read okay. NHT. Alright, thank you. So I'm going back down now, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, what else? Comment, pop us something. Bye. Oh, see, you remember when I turn up the streets? You see that up in here, so? I'll link the video where I turn up this street here. I was trying to find where is house. Yeah, see how everything connected? Alright, I'm gone. Bye.